Hey dear, how about we plan a weekend trip to Malaysia? We've been needing a getaway for a while now.
That's a great idea. Let me check the prices and start planning. Do you want to drive or fly?
Driving sounds fun and flexible, but flying would save time. What's more practical?
If we drive, it'll cost around $100 for fuel and tolls. If we fly, round-trip tickets would be about $150 each, depending on when we book. Driving would be cheaper, but flying would let us relax more.
Let's go with flying then. We can book budget tickets. What about accommodation?
Hotels in Malaysia are affordable. A decent 3-star hotel would cost $40 to $60 per night. I'll find one close to attractions.
Perfect! What about packing? We should travel light since it's just a weekend.
Definitely. I'll make a list.
Sounds like a plan. Let's aim for a budget of around $500, including tickets, accommodation, food, and sightseeing.
Got it. I'll book the flights and hotel today. We'll be all set for a relaxing weekend.
Thanks, love. I can't wait to explore Malaysia together.